Today, we are talking about Duncan Hines Red Velvet Cake Mix. This popular mix has become a favorite for many home bakers. It promises a delicious cake with a rich red color and a unique flavor. But there is more to this cake mix than just taste. One of the main ingredients in the mix is red dye. This dye, specifically red 40, is a common food coloring used in many products. It gives the cake its signature hue. However, there has been some concern about the safety of artificial dyes like red 40. Some studies suggest that artificial dyes may be linked to hyperactivity in children. Others are worried about potential allergic reactions. Duncan Hines Red Velvet Cake Mix also contains sugar. For those with diabetes, managing sugar intake is very important. When making this cake, it is essential to be mindful of how much sugar is in the mix and how much you add. The cake mix itself already contains a significant amount of sugar. Adding frosting or toppings can increase the sugar content even more. For someone with diabetes, consuming high amounts of sugar can lead to complications. This includes spikes in blood sugar levels, which can be dangerous. It is crucial to monitor blood sugar closely, especially after consuming sweets. If you or someone you know is diabetic, there are ways to enjoy a red velvet cake without the extra sugar. Consider using sugar substitutes that do not raise blood sugar levels. There are many alternatives available now that taste great and can help lower the overall sugar content. Another option is to make a homemade version of red velvet cake. This way, you can control the ingredients and adjust the sugar levels to fit your dietary needs. Homemade cakes can be just as delicious and satisfying. When baking with children or those sensitive to dyes, consider alternatives that use natural coloring. Beet juice or pomegranate juice can create a beautiful red color without the use of artificial dyes. These options can make the cake healthier and more appealing to those who are cautious about food additives. It is also important to read labels carefully. Many packaged products contain hidden sugars and additives. Even if a product seems healthy, it is essential to check the nutritional information. This includes looking at both sugar and artificial ingredients. Duncan Hines has made a name for itself by providing convenient baking solutions, but it is important to be aware of what is in the products we use. Understanding the ingredients can help us make better choices for our health. In conclusion, Duncan Hines Red Velvet Cake Mix is a tasty option for many, but it is not without its concerns. The use of red dye and high sugar content can pose risks, especially for those with diabetes. Always be mindful of your health when indulging in sweet treats. Whether you choose to use the mix or make your own cake from scratch, being aware of ingredients is key. Thanks for tuning in. Hit like and subscribe to stay updated.